Hello everyone! Fall is here and the pumpkin spice lattes are out. So today we are going to make a pumpkin spice snickerdoodle. It is a soft and chewy cookie made with pumpkin puree coated with cinnamon sugar. So let's get started! To make the brown butter, place 226 grams of butter in a pot and cook over low-medium heat until medium dark brown. Be sure to stir occasionally. Allow brown butter to cool completely at room temperature. You want the brown butter to still be liquid. Spread 150 grams of pure pumpkin puree onto a plate and soak up the liquid with about 7 or 8 paper towels. By removing some of the liquid, it will allow the cookies to stay chewy rather than cakey. Once the brown butter is ready, mix it with 125 grams of dark brown sugar and 100 grams of granulated sugar. It should look like wet sand. Mix in 38 grams of egg yolks and 8 grams of vanilla extract. Now fold in 2.5 grams of pumpkin spice, 3.5 grams of cream of tartar, 2 grams of salt, and 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Fold until well combined. Cover and chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until it is firm enough to scoop and roll in cinnamon sugar. Mix together 67 grams of granulated sugar with 3 grams of ground cinnamon. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop dough and roll in the cinnamon sugar and place on a sheet pan. I used a 1 1/3 ounce scoop. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 14 minutes. If you want to use smaller scoops, just start with less baking time to avoid over-baking. Allow cookies to cool on the sheet pan, then enjoy. Time to taste! That is delicious. Really get the hit of the pumpkin flavor right away with the nice warm spices, a little bit of the cinnamon sugar. It's perfect for fall. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Life is uncertain, eat to serve first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!